Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a nail file on a baby. First, select a very gentle, fine grit nail file made for infants. It's crucial to ensure your little one is calm and still, which often happens right after a feeding or when they are sound asleep. Always work in a brightly lit space so you can clearly see those tiny nails and avoid any accidental nicks or scrapes. This preparation step is key for a smooth and safe experience. Now let's talk about the technique. Gently hold your baby's finger, isolating the nail you are working on. This helps prevent filing the skin. Always file in one consistent direction, moving from the side of the nail towards the center. Use very short, soft strokes. The goal is to gradually smooth the nail's edge, not to remove a lot of length quickly. Patience is your best friend here, ensuring a safe and comfortable experience for your baby. After filing, it's important to check your work. Gently run your own finger over the baby's nail to feel for any remaining sharp points or rough edges. If you find any, repeat the filing process with very light, careful strokes until the nail feels completely smooth. Remember, the aim is to round and smooth the nail, not to shorten it excessively. Avoid filing too deeply, as this could cause discomfort or even a tiny injury to their delicate nail bed. How often should you file? Baby nails grow quickly, so you might need to file them every few days, or whenever you notice them getting a bit long or sharp. A great tip is to file during a diaper change or when your baby is happily distracted. And a crucial reminder, never use adult nail clippers or files. Their nails are far too delicate for such tools. Stick to the soft, fine grit baby file for the safest and most effective results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.